Craig and Tatum, the committee says the hearing brought forward several witnesses and substantial evidence supporting Dr. Whitney Louis's claims, but the Department of Corrections is refusing to give her job back. Dr. Whitney Louis was fired from the Department of Corrections in January after the DOC says she failed to report a prisoner's violent dream. State Representative Justin Humphrey says that is a ruse, and the firing was in retaliation for reporting inadequate inmate rape investigation within the DOC.
And I originally talked to one of the sexual assault victims, and after I had reported it, and she said, "They never came to me, Dr. Louis. They never talked to me."
The DOC initially said Louis was a 5% employee, making her vulnerable to being fired without reason. However, subsequent legal proceedings and filing with the Civil Service Division ruled against the DOC, demanding Louis's rehiring. The DOC chose to appeal the ruling and says it doesn't intend to rehire Louis because the Civil Service Division does not have the authority to order her reinstatement.
We need to make sure that agencies answer to oversight. We are the elected officials to oversee. We have their budget. We make legislation.
The hearing also revealed that former Attorney General John O'Connor received the whistleblower's claim but failed to conduct an investigation, a revelation that has drawn criticism from those who believe that the accusation involving multiple rapes warranted closer attention. Humphrey asked Governor Kevin Stitt to consider introducing legislation defining the Whistleblower Act and punishments for anyone who intentionally violates the act. Legislation to establish actions for agencies that willfully ignore government oversight, and an independent investigation of the DOC, and immediately rehiring Dr. Whitney Louis with back pay.
Our mission should be to protect the public. It should be to protect the employees and protect the inmates. Let's change our Department of Corrections, which has been many, many years with lots of problems. Let's become one of the best out there in the United States.
Lex Rodriguez, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.